Last problem for our integration by parts series. So we have to evaluate the integral of 6 inverse tangent of 8 over W with respect to W. Okay, so ang meron tayo dito, we have here in an inverse trigonometric. So wala nang iba. If you may seem it may seem wala nang iba, no, pero actually meron pa. So before that, let me just rewrite this para mas simple natin siyang ma-analyze. Okay, so sabi natin, una lagi sa ilates si inverse trigo. So dito ang ilaletyo natin ay si inverse tangent of 8 over W. Ano sir yung magiging dv namin? Yung natitira. Kung ito ay u, therefore itong natitira is dv, or this is just simply dw. So dito our du becomes, so if we go back to our differential calculus, the derivative of our inverse tangent is 1 over 1 plus 8 over W squared. So yan, okay, multiplied by the derivative of this. So kung babalikan natin the derivative of inverse tangent u is equivalent, so 1 over 1 plus u squared du. So in this case, pag nilet u ko is 8 over W, then this will be, or the derivative, the du now becomes 8. This is negative 1, so this becomes negative 2, no? So negative 8 multiplied by W raised to negative 2. So baka nako-confuse, i-rewrite natin. So u can be written as 8 over W raised to negative 1. So if we apply differentiation du, this becomes 8 times negative 1. Then we have W raised to negative 1 minus 1. Then this becomes negative 8 W raised to negative 2, or just simply negative 8 over W squared. So our this is now our du. So the integral of inverse tangent u will be 1 over 1 plus 8 over W squared multiplied by negative 8 over W squared. Okay, so our du here becomes, masyadong malaki yung sulat ni sir, 1 over 1 plus 8 squared is 64 multiply over W squared multiplied by 8 over W squared. So this will be 8, multiply lang natin, so 8, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times W squared is W squared, 64 over W squared times W squared is 64. So this is our du. Then on the other side, we have the dv. So taking the integral of both sides, b is just simply double u. So we can now evaluate the integral of u dv as uv minus integral of v du, and that is simply the inverse tangent of 8 over W rather times our v, which is W, minus the integral of W times, let me just correct here, we have a dw here, di lang na ilagay ni sir. Similar with this one, meron din tayong dw dito from here, ito di lang na ilagay ni sir. Okay, so we have here du as 8 over W squared plus 64 dw. Alright, So simplifying, we have now W inverse tangent of 8 over W minus the integral of W multiplied by 8 over W squared plus 64. This is very complicated, so we can use substitution. So again, let's evaluate the integral of 8W over W squared plus 64 dW. So let U is equivalent to W squared plus 64, then du is 2W dW. Then our function becomes 8W over U multiplied by our dW now becomes du over 2W. So cancel. This becomes 4. This becomes 1. So this is now 4 ln U plus C, or this is 4 ln absolute value of W squared plus 64 plus C. Okay, so lagay natin ngayon dito. So this is 4 ln W squared plus 64 close absolute. Wala tayong limits, so wala tayong limits, so indefinite integral. So meron tayong plus C. So alright, but take note, itong inanalyze natin na to, this is not yet our final answer. Bakit? Kasi ang inanalyze pa lang nating portion ay ito. Okay? So meron pang 6 sa labas. So this will be, so let me copy. So this will be written as 6 multiplied by W inverse tangent 8 over W minus 4 ln absolute value ng W squared plus 64 close quantity plus C, or this is 6W inverse tangent of 8 over W minus 24 ln absolute value of W squared plus 64 plus C. This is our final answer. Take note of simple mistakes, no? Alright. And that is the end of our discussion on IBP, or integration by parts.